God help me. Ooh, I think I've been insane.
Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you balls, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty gon' sit on my lap, hey. They saying Tracy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib, going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yo, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? You in the trenches, relax. Can you not feel that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. Me in Atlanta, hop out her wig, you telling me taste the best. Point at the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get straight. Read Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story that's not with, know they be
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye.
Record.
I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Do it now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 20.
I'll tell you one thing, it's definitely your job to be a bad bitch. So I just applied my wig. Now I'm just waiting on my homegirl to come and put the curls in. And while she's doing that, I'm gonna do my makeup. And yeah, I'm gonna take a break in between now and then, because I'm gonna go to the store and get me something to eat. And yeah, I'll be back.
Smart talking about you gonna cut his hair out.
I'm gonna cut his hair.
Aaron laughing and shit. I said block bitch because you think this shit a game. Beat, but she beat you. Cool.
Are these pictures or videos to her?
This picture for me. I gotta make a bang bang game.
Yeah, no glue slick. It's a picture. From the day, it's now, what time it says? It's now about 7:20, 7:30. I'm really tired. We just came back and had Wendy's. I got my hair done, and as you see, it's already pulled back. It's really hot outside. I'm gonna fire the camera woman, this cameraman. So we are supposed to be getting up right now, but I think I can speak for the both of us when I say we are tired. We're tired. So y'all, we about to head to the store. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get us some mason jars. My friend has no idea what's in store. You say you do?
I don't.
Hopefully Dollar Tree has mason jars down here. But I got off of work the other day. It was about 8 o'clock and I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. So we are about to go catch some fireflies. Period. I must have got that band on my head. Yeah, it ain't cold no way.
Yeah, Dollar Tree.
Yeah, they'll be done. So I'm looking for the. Oh, here got some. I saw, you know, mason jars, but I found some. Oh, here wants to help. No, it's not mason jars. Oh shit.
They right here. Snickers bar ice
You know, I'm
cream.
a Snickers bar head. You want one?
No, because you don't even need one.
I don't need one.
Because what you said.
So y'all, I just got off of work and my eye is killing me. Like, my contact is so dry, it's burning my eyes. And on top of that, I have a bald tire. I have a tire that's going bald, like slick as a Rick. Do you hear me? I'm 30 minutes from the house. I don't get paid till Tuesday. The struggle is real, like. But y'all, and I ain't got no gas. Oh Lord, it's just Tuesday me. But I had a really, really smooth night at work. I enjoyed it. I gave 2 bed baths. I want to go work out this morning, but I'm kind of tired, to be honest. And my eye is burning so bad. Like, I don't know if you can see how red it is, but baby, it's red. It's real red. So I'm about to head to the house, try to drive as slow as I can. I'll keep y'all updated, let y'all know if I make it to the house. Later. Hey y'all, it is the 30th, Sunday. I just uploaded my first vlog. I had went back home, like I said, for a week. I really went down there to get my best friend and go to like the little reunion we had. But it was kind of hard to record most of everything I done. One, because I'm not used to bringing my camera everywhere. I would like leave it in the car on accident. And it was like super hot to go back out and get it. I could have recorded way more than what I did. My apologies. I'm still getting used to everything. Hopefully, moving forward, everything will be better. I just want to make sure I get my name out there and content out there regardless. So I went ahead and uploaded. Right now, I'm kind of like... Oh, I'm heading to work, by the way. It's 2:50. I got to be there for 3 o'clock. I'm going to have a minute to go. I probably got 20 minutes left to go. I'm a little late. But, oh yeah, I'm doing another 16 hours. I'm working from 3 p to 11 p, then 11 p to 7 a.m. We gotta get to this money. I told you we're gonna get them coins, get to the bag. But what was I gonna say? It is so hard. Like, okay, I was like, oh my God, it's so hard to record from your phone because you use your phone for everything and you can't do things while you're using your phone. No, it's so hard to edit from your phone when you have no space. I have a, I have a 12 Pro Max, yeah. And I have no storage. Like, I have to erase all my videos. I have to upload all my apps. And I'm like, I'm so over this. I can't wait to get my iPad or my laptop, like, so I can be more, on it with my editing. I feel like my editing could be so much better if I was able to view things a little better and not from my phone. Like, it's so hard. So like some of the things I want to do, I have to cut back on because I don't have the storage for it. But no, we will get it in due time. You know, if you're watching the vlog, you're gonna see the progress. I can't wait to look back on my videos to be like, dang, I was really in a dark place. Like, look at me now. You feel me? I can't wait to get out of this space. Not that I'm in a like bad space, but I can't wait to see the elevation. And I'm glad that I'm bringing you guys with me. But yeah, like I said, I'm heading to work right now. I will be a luxurious girl later. But right now, this ain't that. This ain't giving that. Y'all will see the elevation. Just wait on it. But I'm about to put my camera away so I can drive. You know, safety first. And I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe when I make it to work. I am currently at work. It is 8:48 Sunday night. Like I said, I don't get up to 7 a.m. I really just finished out my work. I don't have to do anything again. It's about 10 o'clock. Then after that, I'm either gonna stay on my hall or they're gonna move me somewhere else. This is where we at, and there's not really much to tell you guys, so I'll just see y'all in the morning. Oh, hold on, guys.
Why she got me moved?
I got her up because we finna go work out. We gotta get banned. How that song go? We ain't riding by no nigga house, spying on no niggas. Let's go get some money and get buying on these niggas when it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 niggas. Period. So we finna go work out, get our sweat out. You know, I'm trying to be summertime fine. Actually, wintertime fine. All the year fine. I got some goals I'm trying to reach. I got some things I'm trying to touch. I got bases I'm trying to, you know. And I did that double last night. Took my nap, woke up, and I'm ready to go. So let's go. Good morning. I don't have any good, cute content this morning for you guys, but I am about to get ready, get up, and do my hair. It's my hair bag, all my different wigs. I'm about to go get a new tire for my car because it's gone completely bald. I'm going to get a smoothie, and I'm going to pick up my medicine. So that's all we're doing this morning till my friend gets up at 1 o'clock. I want to take some pictures today, Barbie inspired pictures. And I'm gonna put my blonde wig on. Bring out the blonde again. And you know, blonde have more fun. So we're gonna have fun tonight. I'm off tonight. I'm gonna have some fun so that I can get into. Check. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just put my wig on. I'm about to head to Rock Hill or York. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'm gonna go get my tire put on. It's now 11 o'clock. I'm trying to hurry up and beat time. Chrissy gets off at 1. Then we're going to do our photo shoot. So right now, I'm just going to drive, listen to my music. I'll see y'all in a minute. And excuse my lips. I put some pink lip gloss on, y'all. So I just made it to Rock Hill. I'm going to see if they have my tire size. See if they're friendly because I'm out here in the country. And yeah. But we're going to see if we can get my tire put on today. So let's go. So I found a tire. They have one of my size. He's actually putting it on now. It's $58. It's kind of, for it to be a used tire, it's kind of too much. I feel like, I wonder how much they're gonna charge me for the service. I'm only getting one tire, so we shall see. But I read the reviews and they had pretty good reviews, so fingers crossed. Look at my hot tamale. Look at my hot tamale. Not your first day.
Period, big one.
Not your first day. Not you got shirts. Not you got shirts.
Shirt.
You know you work when you got shirts.
And these on
It ain't
training
one,
shirts.
it's two of them bitches.
It's 4.
Ooh!
Training shirts.
Period. What's up, y'all? So I'm about to head to Charlotte, me and Christina. Hey y'all, we're finna head out to
turn left onto Park Drive.
we're finna head to Charlotte and I can't get right. Y'all, we just made it to the picture project in Charlotte. We're finna go in here and look at the booths and take some beautiful pictures.
So we give you a ring light to carry around to the rooms with you. I'll get another one in just a minute. You turn it on here. You can change the warmth, increase and decrease. And then this opens up so you can put your phone in there and it turns both ways.
Okay.
There's 2 restrooms on the end of each hallway. And there's over 30 backdrops throughout the studios, so make sure you hit them all up. And then if you have any questions or need any help, just let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
But I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Dazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we be playing tag. Red, bitty spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like a scream house. If you're yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, pulling out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby, yelling out. It is Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing the scene out. Like I'm ready to blend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. If we're in life, now I'm a pretty to bed. She Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she want of it. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him right. They ain't know it, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Dazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love me, sing and wake me back. I do the word I'm singing. Yeah, nobody will give over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's how they move my shit. And then I really put you to bar.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm low, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all, we just came from working out right now. We just did like a few grocery shopping. We ain't like grocery shop. We just got like, you know, some things to eat around the house. Really, we trying to lose weight, meal prep, workout. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm really determined. I've been really motivated. I just really want to improve my lifestyle. Like, I feel like when you can see it and you believe it, you can do it. So I just been really trying to discipline myself, trying to save, trying to eat right. I'm trying to find me another travel contract because, you know, they be paying. I really want to get out to CNA, but for right now, if I got to sacrifice and do CNA, then that's what I'm going to do. But right now, like I said, we just in the store getting everything. Like, I'm so freaking thirsty. I'm on this Edipex. I got my mouth so dry. I'm getting us some glasses for the house.
And these pretty bows, you can show them the bows. The little design on them, they're so cute. It's giving Asian persuasion. Yes, ma'am.
Eat that with our noodles. I tried this that little noodle thing one time. I'm gonna try it again a different way. The house we staying at, they got all these spices.
Hold you from